Did you know that in the fast-paced world of finance, the right skills can make all the difference? Well, becoming a finance manager is not just about understanding numbers, it's about having key skills that can help you manage budgets, lead teams, and make informed decisions. Plus, these skills help finance managers stand out and succeed in the fast-changing finance world. Let's dive into the 5 key skills that will help you to become an effective finance manager. First things first, technical skills are essential for managing financial tasks effectively. As a finance manager, it's crucial to know how to use financial software, work with spreadsheets, and understand financial statements. For example, mastering tools like Excel or QuickBooks are essential. These tools help you quickly process data, analyze trends, and make smart decisions. Think about it, when you're handling large sets of financial data, you need to organize it effectively to see trends and patterns. With Excel, you can create detailed reports and track key financial indicators. And QuickBooks can help you manage accounting tasks like invoices, budgeting, and taxes. So, when you're familiar with these technical skills, you stay organized, avoid mistakes, and make smarter choices for your company. Next, analytical skills are also crucial to become a finance manager. As a finance manager, your ability to analyze and interpret data is crucial for making informed decisions. You need to know how systems, policies, and procedures work together to help your company reach its financial goals. More importantly, you also need to analyze trends, recognize patterns, and always ask yourself, what can I do to improve this? This mindset helps you identify areas that need improvement and find ways to make things better. Next, let's talk about problem solving, a must-have skill to become a finance manager. In the world of finance, challenges are unavoidable, but how you handle them can make all the difference. As a finance manager, you will often face issues like budget shortfalls, unexpected expenses, or financial risks. Imagine this. Your company suddenly faces higher operational costs, and the budget is off track. What do? This is where your problem-solving skills come into play. Instead of panicking, you analyze the situation, explore different cost-cutting strategies, and adjust financial plans without compromising business growth. Don't forget the power of attention to detail. In the world of finance, even the smallest mistake can cause huge consequences. With so much financial data to track and analyze, you can't afford to miss anything. Whether you're reviewing financial statements, analyzing budgets, or checking transactions, every detail counts. That's why having strong attention to detail is so important. Just think about it. What if you missed a small mistake in a financial report and didn't notice it? This could lead to big problems later. By paying attention to every small detail, you make sure everything is correct and on track. This helps you make better choices, avoid mistakes, and keep your company moving in the right direction. Last but not least, communication skills are also super important to become a finance manager. Why? Because in this role, you're not just working with numbers, you're also interacting with teams, stakeholders, and executives. You need to explain complex financial data in simple, clear terms so everyone understands what's happening and what steps to take next. Imagine presenting a budget report to senior management. They might not know much about finance, so it's your job to explain the numbers in a way that's easy to understand and highlights the key points. More importantly, good communication also helps build trust, strong relationships, and makes you a better leader in the company. By focusing on these 5 key skills, you'll not only be prepared for the role of a finance manager, but you'll also have the confidence to stand out and advance in your career.